Opret met Afrikaans. Fun with Afrikaans. Please note for grade 1s, all Afrikaans vocabulary taught does not need to be written or read in grade 1. The learners must just know it orally. Woordeskat van die 3 klein varkies. Vocabulary from the 3 little pigs. Die groot slegte wolf. Die groot slegte wolf. Die groot slegte wolf. The big bad wolf. Die 3 klein varkies. Die 3 klein varkies. Die 3 klein varkies. The 3 little pigs. Wat het hulle gesê? Klein varkie, laat my in, sê die wolf. What did they say? Little pig, let me in, said the wolf. Wat het hulle gesê? Nee, gaan weg, sê die klein varkie. What did they say? No, go away, said the little pig. Strooi, strooi, strooi. Straw. Hout, hout, hout. Wood. A huis, a huis, a huis. A house. Bakstene, bakstene, bakstene. Bricks. Well done, wel gedaan.